Speaking a new language is an achievement, but sounding natural in that language, that's the next level, and it's more achievable than you might think. Let's talk about a few simple but powerful tips that can help you sound more fluent, more confident, and more like a native speaker. Tip 1. Listen first, speak second. To sound natural, you need to hear what natural sounds like. Watch movies, listen to podcasts, or pay attention to native speakers in conversation. Notice their rhythm, how they pause, how they connect words, not just what they say, but how they say it. Tip 2. Use contractions. Instead of I am going, say I'm going. Instead of they are not ready, say they're not ready. Contractions are common in casual speech, and using them makes you sound less robotic and more relaxed. Tip 3. Learn common expressions. Native speakers don't always say things directly. They use expressions like, no worries, that's a good call. I'm not sure off the top of my head. Learning phrases like these helps you respond more naturally in everyday situations. Tip 4. Mind your intonation. Sounding natural isn't just about vocabulary, it's about tone. In English, for example, your voice often goes up at the end of a yes/no question, "You're coming tonight?" and down at the end of a statement, "I'll see you later." Practicing intonation patterns can instantly make your speech more native-like. Tip 5. Don't overthink every word. Trying to speak perfectly can actually make you sound less natural. It's okay to pause, use filler words like or you know, and correct yourself. That's what real people do, even in their first language. And finally, tip 6. Practice with real people. Whether it's a language exchange, a tutor, or a friend, the more real conversation you have, the more natural you'll sound. Because language isn't just knowledge, it's habit. To recap, listen actively, use contractions, learn everyday expressions, practice intonation. Don't aim for perfection and speak with others. Sounding natural doesn't mean sounding perfect, it means sounding human.